Welcome to Bodrum, Turkey, and the third Partisan of Yachting Regatta. The event opened with a wonderful ceremony in Milta Marina. 8 teams are competing in this 6-day event that will offer a mix of inshore and coastal racing over 9 races. This is the third time that we organise Partisan Regatta from Partisan Yachting Company, and we are really happy to organise this regatta in Turkey, especially in Bodrum, which is a place with perfect sailing conditions. In Bodrum we also have a special partner who is Milta Marina. They offer us all the technical equipment and professional stuff that is necessary for the regatta. The opening day of the regatta gave the perfect opportunity for teams to check their level and skills during the practice race and measure up the form of their fellow competitors. It was then straight into racing action, with one shore-inshore race to put the fleet through their paces. The practice race was scheduled at 1300 hours, but with no wind, teams were postponed for around 90 minutes, waiting for the breeze to kick in. By the time the first inshore race got underway, the breeze was up to a fresh 20 knots for teams contesting the windward-leeward course format. The winner of the first race was the boat Chryssikos, St. Anna, and third Izmir Yelken.
Finished first, but you know, there's a rating, and I don't know we won or not. Second is the secret of Sussex. I think we didn't do a lot of mistake, and wind was strong.
2 more inshore races are on the schedule for day 2. The packed 9-race program, a mix of inshore and coastal races, and a wide range of weather conditions forecast will give every chance for the best teams to come out on top. Join us again.